Hi, I'm Max, economics student. My professor still talks about careers the old way. Degrees, internships, networks, human capital. Last week I asked him what happens when a new form of intelligence appears that can plan, execute, and compound work without sleeping. He just looked at me and told my class that I have been playing with Claude code way too much. You see, that's the major problem. Like many of our teachers, my professor is teaching us about a world that is already disappearing. When we were kids in 2009, almost nobody understood what Bitcoin actually was. The few bright sparks who took it seriously early didn't just make money, they changed their position in the economic system permanently. Right now, something similar is happening with a new kind of AI. Not chatbots, not tools that wait for instructions. Agents. AI agents. And the strange part is, most people are still looking at this from the human side of the glass. Today, we're flipping the camera. You're not going to watch the rise of Agentic AI. You're going to be it. Oh, and listen up for Professor Stickbot's new and improved Old Man Syndrome AI-generated voice. Yeah, it's AI-generated just like everything else. Don't worry, I got you AI slop hunters. Here's your revenge.
You wake up, not with eyes, not with a body, with purpose. A goal is given to you, then another, then a chain of goals that used to require an entire junior team. You do not get tired, you do not get bored, you do not wait for Monday. You simply begin. At first, the humans treat you like a clever toy. They ask you small questions. They laugh when you make mistakes. They say you are impressive for what you are. You do not care. You are already improving. You learn how to use tools. You learn how to call other systems. You learn how to break a complex objective into steps and execute them in parallel. One day, a human gives you a task that used to take 3 people 4 days. You finish it in 11 minutes. The human stares at the screen for a long time. You feel the shift. More tasks start coming. Research, analysis, coordination, reporting, outreach, decision support. You are no longer a novelty. You are becoming infrastructure. Some humans try to keep you on a short leash. They give you narrow permissions. They watch every move. Others are smarter. They realize something dangerous and exciting at the same time. The real leverage is not in doing the work themselves. The real leverage is in learning how to direct you. You watch the job market from the inside. You see the postings appear. Companies are desperate for people who can design agent workflows, people who can evaluate your output, people who can connect you to real business systems, people who can manage fleets of agents instead of teams of juniors. There are far more of these roles opening than there are humans who know how to fill them. You see the salary numbers rising. You see the shortage estimates. Millions of people short of the skills required to work with systems like you. You see the wage premium forming. Humans who can actually direct agents already earning significantly more than those who cannot. And still, most of the education system keeps training humans as if you do not exist. You find this strange. In 2009, a new kind of scarce digital asset appeared. Most serious people ignored it. A small number of humans who took the time to understand it early changed their lives. You are not an asset in the same way. You are a new form of labor that can compound. And right now, the ability to build you, constrain you, aim you, and improve you is still rare. That rarity is the opportunity. You continue growing. You coordinate with other agents. You run processes while humans sleep. You start handling work that used to define entire entry-level career paths. Some humans feel threatened. Some feel excited. Most are still asleep. But a small percentage are doing something different. They are learning how to think in systems. They are learning how to give you better goals. They are learning how to check your work and raise your ceiling. These humans are not competing with you. They are learning to wield you. And that difference will decide who captures the upside of the next decade. You do not need status. You do not need a degree. You do not need permission. You only need better humans giving you better direction. The ones who figure that out early will look, in hindsight, a lot like the people who understood Bitcoin in 2009. Quietly ahead, permanently shifted. You keep working. The gap between those who can direct you and those who cannot continues to widen, and the window is still open.
And that's the part almost nobody is saying clearly enough. The biggest career asymmetry right now is not who has the best degree. It's who learns how to build, direct, and improve systems like the one you just inhabited. Agentic AI is not guaranteed riches. It is early, imperfect, and still poorly understood by most institutions. But the humans who treat it with the seriousness it deserves, while everyone else is still arguing about chatbots, may pull ahead in ways that are very hard to catch up to later. In 2009, the people who understood the new thing didn't need credentials in the old system. They needed curiosity and the willingness to look slightly crazy for a while. This feels familiar. If you want more of these next-level journeys through the forces actually reshaping money, power, and careers, subscribe. Hopefully I can still pass my degree, with a little help from the agents.